everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to play Every 27 Years from the movie It. So this is a really cool song to play for Halloween to impress your friends and family. Here is a preview of what the song will sound like. So that sounds really cool. I told you. So without further ado, let's get started. Now before you start learning the melody and the chords, please get a piece of paper and a pen so you can write down all the notes so that you don't forget it. Now this song will be divided into 6 parts. The first part for the right hand sounds like this. E, F sharp, G, C, B, low G. Okay, let's do that again. E, F sharp, G, C, B, and low G. Now, if you do it faster, it will sound like this. Okay, once you get that done, left hand, there are 2 chords. First chord is second inversion C minor, which is G, C, E. Let's do that again. G, C, E. Second chord is first inversion of E minor, which is G, B, E. So once you get those chords, it will be second inversion C minor, first inversion E minor. Okay, 2 hands together goes like this. Chord by itself, B and first inversion E minor. Okay, once you get that done, go like this. Okay, so next part will go like this. So right hand will be A, B, C, D, E flat, and low A flat. Let's do that again. A, B, C, D, E flat, A flat. Okay, it's like this. Right, so next chords will be 2 chords. So that is second inversion B minor, which is G, C, E flat, G, C, E flat. Next chord will be A flat minor, which is A flat, B, E flat, A flat, B, E flat. Second inversion B minor, G, C, E flat. Next, A flat minor, A flat, B, E flat. Once you get those 2 chords, this 2 hands together will sound like this. Chord by itself, E flat, chord. Okay, one more time. Okay, so 2 parts will sound like this. Chord by itself. Cool. So now the third part will be for the right hand. High A flat, G, F, C, E, D, C, C sharp, D sharp, E, G sharp. Okay, let's do that again. A flat, G, F, C, E, D, C, C sharp, D sharp, E, G sharp. Okay, once you get that done, the normal tempo for this will be like this. Sorry. Cool. Now, for the left hand, there are how many chords? 3 chords. Okay, so there are 3 chords. So the first chord will be first inversion F minor, which is A flat, C, F. A flat, C, F. Next chord is A minor, A, C, E. Next chord is second inversion C minor, which is G sharp, C sharp, E. G sharp, C sharp, E. Okay, 3 chords. First inversion F minor, A minor, second inversion C minor. 2 hands together goes like this. Chord by itself. Chord. Chord. Okay, one more time. Chord. 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 Okay, so that's the third part. Now the fourth part will go like this. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F, G, G sharp, G, F, E. Okay, one more time. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F, G, G sharp, G, F, E. Okay, so there are 2 chords to the left hand, D minor, DFA. Next chord is C sharp minor, C sharp major, which is C sharp, F, G sharp. D minor, C sharp major. 2 hands together goes like this. Chord, G sharp and C sharp major together. One more time. Okay, now the fifth part go like this. Fast, F and E, like that. Just try and do that because that's important. F and E fast. D, C sharp, D, E, F, F sharp, F, E flat, D. Okay, one more time. F and E fast. D, C sharp, D, E, F, F sharp, F, E flat, D. Okay, so there are 2 chords for left hand. Chords for left hand will be D minor, DFA. Then B major, which is B, D sharp, F sharp. Okay, let's do it again. Right, the 2 hands together will go like this. Chord by itself. F sharp, B major together. Again. Now once you get that all done, part 4 and part 5 will sound like this. Chord. Okay, once you get that done, we are now on the 6th and last part. So it's just like this. D sharp and E fast, and then D sharp, then G sharp and D sharp will go like this. Okay, do that again. next one will be again D sharp and E, F sharp and D sharp. One more time. Okay, the two chords for the left hand would be G sharp minor, which is G sharp, B, D sharp. Next chord will be G sharp major, G sharp, C, D sharp. Okay, G sharp minor, G sharp major. Two hands together go like this. Chord, okay, so that is the sixth and last part. Now once you have it all done, played, and you are confident that you can play it without looking at your book, then you can now learn the pattern for your left hand. But before we learn the pattern, let's go over the whole song. Nice. Now for the left hand, how you play this pattern is, so for each chord, for the second inversion of C minor, it will go like this. The lower note, which is G, you play G, 1, and then 2, you play the rest of the chord like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you do that for all the chords. Now let's do it. So that is how you do it. Now, when you play the song with the pattern, it will sound like this. Okay, so if you're still not sure what I'm trying to say, then if you go to the beginning of this video and you press it, you'll see 3 dots that come up. Press those 3 dots and then you'll see that they will show you speed. So press speed and you can control how fast or slow you want this video, and you can see on which note am I pressing onto this chord, and you can try it for yourself. So challenge yourself and see how far you get. But I'm pretty sure you'll get quite far. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more videos like this, don't be shy to leave a comment below to request a song that you'd like me to play. So thanks, and have a lovely Halloween. Bye!